Let's not fuss about. Electricity can be dangerous. Luckily, with plug-in solar kits, safety is not an issue. Firstly, their modules operate with extra low voltage, so it cannot hurt you or injure you even in case of an accident. Additionally, the inverters are certified for use in the European power grid. They have to turn off immediately if disconnected, so there is no voltage on the pins of the plug. If your national grid should require additional safety measures, your National Electrical Standards Organization or grid provider should be able to provide those to you, so be sure to ask them. The main risk associated with a plug-in solar kit is what happens if it falls down and hits somebody, flies off in a storm, or damages somebody else's property. Fortunately, you can avoid this entirely by making sure that your system is well fixed and well mounted in accordance to the manual, and thus poses no risk to anyone else around you.